I just bought a slightly damaged 2024 M1000Rr competition. BMW M1000Rr is just S1000Rr on steroids. M1000Rr exists primarily as a homologation special. To compete in racing series like the Superbike World Championship, manufacturers must use commercially available production-based motorcycles. The M1000Rr is essentially a race-ready, track-focused bike with road-legal lights and mirrors. This serves as the base platform for BMW racing teams. As you see, this bike is fucked up quite good. But all of these problems are fixable with a lot of work and a lot of money. One thing that can trash this whole project for me is the engine, because I don't even know if this bike wants to start. So before we throw a lot of money and a lot of sweat on this bike, we will try to start it. To start this bike, first we must attach the dashboard. This thing somehow survived all this carnage without single scratch. Unfortunately, the main plug has broken off, but this whole back section, including the main plug, is replaceable and sold separately. We have a dead battery. Fuck! So OEM battery is completely dead, so I put my spare one from my S1000Rr to charge, and while it's charging we're gonna lightly wash this bike because it is very dirty. But because front wheel is completely fucked and front tire is completely flat, first we must put spare wheel on. But to do that we must put front wheel on the paddock stand, and because these fuckers are on, paddock stand cannot reach the forks. So first we must remove these fuckers here. The previous owner has lost this original bolt and they put whatever they had on the bench. It is the same on the other side too. We have one Torx and one Allen. Alright, front wheel swap lasted way longer than anticipated. Because this front fork boot is so mingled up, I had to chisel this part here, and then I had to wedge a fucking screwdriver here just to free up the spindle. And then the bike fell off the front stand. But all in all, spare wheel is on. Now we're gonna push this bike outside, get it properly washed, and then we will finally try to start this beast. Let's go!
One eternity later.
Oh my fucking... Alright boys, I got a little bit carried away with washing this bike. I guess I'm a little bit ADHD myself. It kind of nicked me. But all in all, this bike is now clean and our battery is fully charged. So I guess it is time to find out if this is a beginning of the awesome build series or the build series is already over. Here goes nothing. The bike still not getting the power. Fucking shit, fuck. Alright boys, even though the battery is fully charged, the bike have no power, which means only one. The main 40 amp fuse is fucked. And the fuse is this bugger here. Yep, it looks fucked to me. The good news is that I have exactly the same one. So let's shove it in and try again. Come on, baby! Oh! We have power! Ooh, I'm a bit scared now. I'm a bit scared. Let's try it. Whoop. Oh, I think the battery is fucked again. Alright, fuck it. I pulled the battery from my S1000Rr and put it in my M1000Rr. So we are going to try it again. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Send it. We are almost there. One more. One more. Last time. Oh! We have a start, baby! We have a start. We have a start, baby. We have a lot of faults, but we have a start. Alright guys, as you saw and heard, the bike is running a little bit rough, like it has some misfires, probably from the water when I washed the bike, but we will address that a little bit later. What is important now that the bike is starting, and in the next video we are tearing this thing completely apart. If you want to see that, subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!